table after turning the wire around it and placing another one on top. It's like making a mini arch balloon. Again, there's no right or wrong in how you put the colours, what colours you put in. Whatever you like, whatever your mood is, just go for it. Whatever cake you're making, maybe for a customer, whatever their theme is. Again, however you combine the colours, it really would still look awesome in the end. Really take the wires and turn them around the balloons and secure those balloons in place, ready to place on to get them a bit more pretty. We're just placing the flowers into the balloon cake topper once we stood it up, because that's actually quite easier. You can use different colours, that does not matter. And here is our gorgeous Valentine's edition balloon cake topper ready. It has a confetti balloon to give it that wow factor. We've placed artificial flowers, and this is the other side of it, so we're just showing here that you can use it from the front and behind. Have a fantastic Valentine's Day, whatever you are doing on the day. Love to all couples and singles out there.